Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to stop a promotion on TikTok quickly and easily. If you promoted one of your videos and want to end the promotion before or after it finishes, just follow these simple steps. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and sign into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the menu button in the top right corner and select TikTok Studio or Creator Tools, depending on your app version. From there, tap Promote to view your active and previous promotions. Select the promotion that you want to stop. If the campaign is still available or active and your account is eligible, look for the Stop Promotion or End Promotion option and tap on it. Confirm your choice when prompted and the promotion will end. Keep in mind that any budget already spent before stopping the promotion is generally not refunded, and the promotion may continue until the current processing period is completed. If your promotion has already reached its end date or budget limit, it will stop automatically without requiring any action. And that's it. That's how you can stop a promotion on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.